Oh my gosh, it's here! Hello, my little sparklers. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. Today, it made it. My Christmas Crate. My Christmas Crate is a subscription box that is $29.99 a month, and they send you a box full of Christmas stuff every month. Decor, there's kitchen stuff, there's bathroom stuff, there's any room in your house stuff, nice little things, decor, Christmas cheer. My Christmas Crate. There's a link in the description below. We're gonna be unboxing this today and I am very excited, so let's crack into it. I think the theme this month is Christmas on the Farm, which, if I'm honest, isn't my cup of tea. I'm just not like rustic. I'm a little more sparkle. I'm a little more glitter and not as much dirt. That sounds really mean. That's not how I mean it. Fancy and extra and less rustic and farmy. All right, let's open this up. How does it look? How does it look? Oh my gosh. Oh, Christmas on the Farm. I was so right. Cute. All right, we got a card. Christmas on the Farm, February 2020. I'm not gonna look at the back because that tells me everything that's in the box, and I like to be surprised. So, oh no, I looked at it. Oh no, dang it. Oh no, it looks so good. Wormies! These things fly everywhere. Check out our collectible ornament club at www.mychristmascrate.com. I know they have an ornament club where they send you a Christmas ornament every month, and they're all very like unique and cute. Let's see what's in this box. The first thing I see is something to eat, and I'm always down for snacks. Bobo's Cranberry Orange Oat Bar. Yes, please. I'm a big oat fan. Oats are just good for you, and yay for oats. Bobo's Cranberry Orange Oat Bar. See, cranberry orange, is that not just Christmas? We got the oat bar, cranberry orange, baked with you in mind. Take some time to slow down for a moment and enjoy something baked with love, just like Bobo and her mom Beryl did in their Boulder, Colorado home back in 2003. Today, Bobo's continues baking by hand with simple, wholesome ingredients, so consider our humble oat bar a delicious pause on life, one that we baked with you in mind. That's like the sweetest. Should we eat it now? I kind of want to eat it now. We're just gonna take a bite. This isn't gonna turn into a Christmas mukbang. That's an idea for a video. Oh my god. It smells like baked Christmas goods. Dang it, why is it February and not December? Oh my gosh. Hold on, I'm having a nostalgia moment. Excuse me for a second. That tastes almost identical to the Christmas cookies my grandma used to bake when I was little. My grandma used to have a cookie club, and there were like 12 of her friends from her bowling league, and they would all bake 12 dozen cookies and then go to a party and all exchange. So you'd come home with 12 dozen cookies, but of different varieties, not your 12 dozen. And she always baked these orange cranberry oat cookies, and that tastes exactly like that. That was like magic. If I keep thinking about it, it's gonna like bring me to tears. So we're not. Delicious, Bobo's. Lovely. There's a lot in here. This looks like an ornament. Tell me your story. Hold on, we're getting there. There we go, there he is. It is an ornament. Oh, cute. Okay, here we go. How cute is this? You know what I actually really like about this is there's a lot of the red truck with the tree like over it, and like the car, like, you know, like with the tree across the top. This has it sitting up in the back all cute. Creative Co-op. Glass truck with tree ornament. 2 styles. Oh, wonder if there's like a second kind of truck you can get. We have a shiny red truck with the tree in the back. Can you see that? Okay, seriously. Very, very cute. It's so reflective in the snow on it, and it's got glitter on the bumper right there and on the front of it on the grill and stuff like that. I know car parts. This is adorable. This is really cute. Okay, I want to go for the other wrapped thing in here. What are you? Come out of the bubble wrap. I want to love you. What is it, a salt shaker? Creative Co-op, same company as the ornament. And this is some sort of condiment shaker. Herb mineral shaker, salt shaker. I'm gonna say it's a salt shaker. Cute little red car. So this does not exactly match the design aesthetic of my kitchen slash dining room. I eat in front of the TV, so like dining room table that looks nice. I will probably be passing this on. Maybe I should put together a giveaway. I don't know. Is that what you want? Is that something we want to be doing? Should I be collecting? I should be collecting things for a giveaway, honestly. Maybe I'll do that. So we have a little truck salt shaker. Wait a second. Is there supposed to be a pepper shaker? Because like I feel like Oh, wait, I get it. I get it. It gets better. In the box, wrapped in something else I'm gonna show you in just a second, is like the pepper shaker. But no, stop it. Stop it right now. It's got a magnet on it. I was kind of wondering about that. I was like, that looks like a magnet, but like cute design choice, silver disc on top of car. How freaking cute. I get it. I get it. Took me a second. Sometimes I take a minute. Is 3 holes salt and 2 holes pepper? Why do I feel like that's what it is? And they clip right onto each other just like that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, that's just so cute. It'd be cute if it was like that's cute, but the fact that it like sits on it, that is so clever and such a cute idea. I'm this adorable. How dare you be that charming? Okay, what's this? We have this. This is what the tree was wrapped in, like a dish towel. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Oh, with the trailer on it. We spend a lot of time in an RV. We travel very, very far in it during the summer, and that's how we travel in the summer. Instead of staying in hotels, we stay in the RV. This has a little trailer on it, which is along the theme of RVing and, you know, fun time having in a home on wheels. A little puppy dog in the window. Oh, I think that's adorable. I'm legit probably gonna be giving this to my mom. She lives in her trailer and she just travels around all the time. The embroidery on it is really, really nice. That is nice. I am digging that. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Little kitchen dish towel. Primitives by Kathy. There you go. Nice. Cute. Is that the last? Yep, this is the last thing. Oh, we got some cards. We got a horse with a barn and a wreath. Spread cheer. I love that. That's what the inside message says. Spread cheer. I love that because like that's just a great message that you can send to anybody any time of year, honestly. I'd send these out right now. Who couldn't use more cheer? It's just universal and that's so cool and it's so sweet and simple. Cute, cute. Christmas cards right here by Gallison, looks like. The photograph is by Michael D. Young of Media Bakery, and the cards are by Gallison. They do come with envelopes, so that's nice. You can like send them out. You don't gotta find envelopes that's gonna match. Do you say envelope or envelope? Sometimes people think I'm fancy when I say envelope, and they're like, why are you trying to sound snobby? And I'm like, I'm not. That's just an easier sound for me to form with my mouth than E. Envelope is more work than envelope. I don't know. I'm just lazy, but I digress. Cute gift cards with the horse that say spread cheer. And that's everything in the February 2020 My Christmas Crate. Very, very cute, very, very on theme. This was great. I really liked it. I was not sure how it was gonna sit with me just because I'm a little more classy, elegant, glam. Sparkly Christmas, that's why we say sparkle on. But you can sparkle on a farm too, so it works. I think my favorite, what is my favorite? I like the dish towel a lot. I also like the card. No, you know what, the cards. But the oat bar, dang it. I dig it. This is the second box I got. I also got the mini crate. I did film it, but then I didn't put it up because by the time it would have gone up, I don't think you could have you couldn't order the mini crate by the time the video would have gone up, so I kind of felt bad. But if you want to see that unboxing, maybe I'll put it up as a bonus. Let me know in the comments below if that's something that you want. I love my Christmas crate. They're just a great, great service. I have yet to find another subscription box that is just Christmas stuff all year round. And that's what we're all about here. A touch of Christmas all year round. Till it's December and then it's on. Just a little bit of Christmas, trying to keep the magic alive all year long, and my Christmas crate allows me to do that. Just pure delight that my Christmas crate exists. If you want to see more of my favorite winter products, just the things I've been using all winter long that have been helping my life, you can click or tap right up here. And for some Christmas magic all year round, you can click or tap down here. Until we meet again, sparkle on. Hello, my little split. Come on. WWW. One's a car, one's a truck. Vroom vroom.